The world's demand for electricity is exploding. AI, data centers, and electric vehicles are pushing our grids to the brink. Every day, more devices come online, and our digital lives grow more energy-hungry. From streaming movies to powering fleets of electric cars, the need for reliable electricity has never been greater. The backbone of our modern society is electricity, and it's being stretched to its limits. Hit the like button, share the video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Amidst this landscape, one company is making waves: Nano Nuclear Energy, ticker NNE. While many firms talk about change, Nano Nuclear is actually delivering it, positioning itself as a true disruptor in the industry. It's not just another nuclear player, it's redefining what nuclear power can be. By reimagining the possibilities of nuclear technology, they're challenging old assumptions and setting new standards for the future. Their focus? Microreactors, compact factory-assembled units designed for maximum safety and efficiency. These aren't the massive, complex plants of the past, but small, scalable solutions that can be rapidly deployed. Imagine a nuclear battery shipped directly to where power is needed: data centers, remote mines, or industrial sites. These microreactors can bring clean energy to places that were previously out of reach, all with minimal environmental impact. This technology promises gigawatts of clean, reliable energy, bypassing the vulnerabilities of traditional grids. It's a game changer for regions prone to blackouts or those looking to decarbonize quickly. Nano Nuclear is already securing high-profile agreements and attracting top talent from across the industry. Their partnerships span government agencies, private enterprises, and global investors. Their leadership isn't just building reactors, they're creating a fully integrated energy ecosystem. From research and development to deployment and support, they're covering every step of the process. Analysts are taking note of their aggressive growth strategy and rapid progress toward commercialization. The company's momentum is drawing attention from both Wall Street and the global energy community. While many competitors are still in the concept phase, Nano Nuclear is signing paid feasibility studies and laying the groundwork for real-world deployments. Their projects are moving from blueprints to reality. It's a unique blend of disruptive tech, massive market opportunity, and strategic execution. Few companies can claim such a comprehensive approach to transforming the energy landscape. This is the company many believe will lead the nuclear renaissance, ushering in a new era of clean, accessible, and resilient energy for the world. Nano Nuclear Energy is at the heart of this new era, pioneering a revolution in how we think about, generate, and deliver power. As the world faces mounting energy challenges, from climate change to grid instability, the need for innovative solutions has never been greater. Their mission is ambitious, yet clear: to design, develop, and deploy a new generation of small, portable, and cost-effective microreactors. These compact reactors are engineered to bring clean, reliable energy to places where traditional power plants simply can't go. These aren't just better power plants, they represent a whole new category of energy solution. Microreactors are flexible, resilient, and specifically built to meet the complex demands of the 21st century. They can operate independently or supplement existing grids, providing a crucial safety net during emergencies or peak demand. At the core of Nano Nuclear's strategy are their flagship designs: Zeus, Loki, and Kronos. Each model is built for mass production and rapid deployment, with modular components that streamline manufacturing and installation. Take the Kronos microreactor, for example. It's compact enough to be shipped by truck, then quickly set up on site, dramatically slashing both construction time and cost. Its solid core and advanced heat exchangers ensure safe, efficient operation in even the harshest environments. The potential applications are vast. Target markets include data centers that require uninterrupted power, remote industrial sites far from the grid, isolated communities seeking energy independence, and military bases demanding secure, resilient power sources. By offering on-site, plug-and-play nuclear solutions, Nano Nuclear aims to solve one of the biggest bottlenecks in these sectors: the challenge of delivering constant, reliable power where it's needed most, without the delays and costs of traditional infrastructure. But their vision doesn't stop at technology. Nano Nuclear is also pursuing vertical integration, an ambitious plan to control every step of the value chain, from design and manufacturing to fuel production and logistics. By managing not just the reactors themselves but also the critical supply of nuclear fuel and the logistics of deployment, they aim to ensure reliability, security, and cost control at every stage. This integrated approach would give Nano Nuclear a powerful competitive moat, making it difficult for rivals to match their efficiency, speed, and security in the advanced nuclear market. If realized, this bold strategy could position Nano Nuclear as a dominant force in the industry, reshaping the future of energy and powering the world in ways we've only just begun to imagine. Nanonuclear's ambition is to dominate the advanced nuclear industry through vertical integration. They're not just selling reactors, they aim to be a one-stop shop for clients, handling everything from fuel fabrication to logistics. By producing their own specialized nuclear fuel, they gain control over supply, protect against disruptions, and create recurring revenue. Mastering logistics is key. Safely transporting microreactors and fuel requires a specialized network and regulatory expertise. This end-to-end service model transforms Nanonuclear from a manufacturer into a full-service energy provider. Clients get a seamless, long-term partnership, design, delivery, fueling, and potentially even operation and maintenance. For large industrial customers, this is a simple, reliable solution without the need to become nuclear experts. This strategy creates high barriers to entry for competitors. It's a business model built for resilience and profitability. If successful, it could elevate NNE from a promising startup to an industry titan. In a capital-intensive field like nuclear, a strong balance sheet is everything. Nanonuclear stands out with over $600 million in cash, thanks to successful fundraising and investor confidence. This financial strength gives them the runway to attract top talent, fund R&D, and navigate the complex regulatory process. It also means they can engage with regulators and potential customers without the constant pressure of raising more capital. Their cash reserve minimizes shareholder dilution and lets management focus on execution. But remember, Nanonuclear is still pre-revenue. Its $1.8 billion valuation is based on future potential, not current sales. Analysts don't expect meaningful revenue for at least a couple of years. Regulatory approval must come first. This makes NNE a speculative but unusually well-capitalized early-stage tech stock. The risk is real, but so is the opportunity. Funding and vision are important, but real-world traction sets leaders apart. Nanonuclear has secured key agreements that validate its technology and open doors to its first customers. In November 2025, they signed a paid feasibility study with 𝗗𝗟𝗏 for a massive Texas industrial facility, aiming to supply 1 gigawatt of clean, on-site nuclear power. This isn't just a handshake, it's a paid engagement and a major commercial opportunity. Earlier, they partnered with Block Fusion, a data center operator, to explore powering their Niagara Falls facility. These deals put Nanonuclear at the intersection of the AI revolution and the clean energy transition. Such milestones are critical proof points for investors. They show that major industry players are taking Nanonuclear seriously. These agreements are the first steps toward commercial revenue and market leadership. Momentum is building, and the market is watching. In nuclear energy, regulatory approval is the ultimate hurdle. In the U.S., the Nuclear Regulatory Commission, NRC, decides who gets to build and operate reactors. Nanonuclear is in the early pre-application phase with the NRC for its Keranos design. This stage involves intense dialogue, feedback, and preparation for a formal license application. It's a necessary milestone, but approval is still years away and not guaranteed. The process includes safety analyses, environmental studies, and public hearings. Delays and setbacks are possible. Regulatory uncertainty is a major risk for investors. However, there's growing bipartisan support to streamline licensing for advanced nuclear tech. Lawmakers recognize that old rules don't fit new, factory-built designs. Federal initiatives could shorten timelines and reduce regulatory burdens. If successful, this could be a major catalyst for Nanonuclear and the entire sector. Nanonuclear's story is powered by massive macro trends. AI and data centers are driving unprecedented energy demand, requiring constant high-density power that renewables alone can't provide. Tech giants are turning to nuclear as the only scalable, carbon-free solution. Nanonuclear's microreactors are a perfect fit, scalable, on-site, and reliable. The global push for decarbonization and climate goals is another tailwind, with nuclear now embraced as a key tool. Governments are offering subsidies, loan guarantees, and streamlined regulations. Electrification of vehicles, industry, and homes is straining aging grids. Decentralized portable nuclear power offers a resilient solution. By deploying microreactors where power is needed, NNE can help build a more reliable energy infrastructure. The alignment of these trends forms the core of the bull case for Nanonuclear. Nanonuclear Energy currently has a market cap of $1.77 billion, and its earnings per share stand at negative 0.95. For 2024, the company reported $0 in revenue, and it posted a net loss of $10.15 million. In other words, this is still a pre-revenue story, and while the market is clearly assigning meaningful value to the company's future potential, the upside for Nanonuclear is huge, but so are the risks. This is a high-risk, high-reward stock, best for aggressive investors with a long-term view. The biggest risk, NNE, is pre-revenue, burning cash, and its valuation is based entirely on future potential. If the company fails to execute or secure regulatory approval, the stock could plummet. The regulatory process is long, expensive, and uncertain. Delays or setbacks could require more capital and push timelines back years. Volatility is extreme. The stock will swing wildly on news, rumors, and sentiment. Investors must be prepared for sharp ups and downs. This is not a stock for short-term capital or the faint of heart. Only invest what you can afford to lose. But for those willing to take the risk, the potential reward could be transformative. The energy sector is at a crossroads. Demand for clean, reliable power has never been higher, and the world is watching for solutions. Nanonuclear energy is making a bold case to lead the next wave with its innovative microreactors and strong financial backing from key investors. Their focus on portable, factory-built reactors targets massive, underserved markets that are hungry for reliable energy. Vertical integration could make them a dominant, sustainable business in the evolving energy landscape. The risks are real, pre-revenue status and regulatory hurdles, but so is the potential upside for early investors. NNE is a story of ambition, innovation, and timing, qualities that often define industry leaders. Which industry do you think stands to benefit most from portable nuclear power? Data centers, manufacturing, mining, or perhaps something else entirely? Share your thoughts in the comments below and join the conversation. If you found this analysis helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more insights and updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.